In this video, we're going to focus on your login and subscription sign-in and purchasing parcels. We're going to start by visiting app.thejackyjackson.com. Once there, you will log in. If you find that you can't log in, be sure you have signed up to the Tax Deed Genius membership and have your login credentials supplied by the customer service team from info@thejackyjackson.com. If you cannot find the email in your inbox, please check your spam folder. If everything is done correctly now, you should be on the auction page. Now, Nature on the Oxygen page, you should already have your subscription payment. Done. Now, let's talk about how you were able to purchase reports. If you look up to the right-hand upper corner of the screen, click your name and under the scroll down, click Settings. Once you are in the Settings menu, click Payments. Here, you will enter your card information to purchase your reports. This card does not have to be the same card that you are using for your subscription. As a quick reminder, the payment you make for subscriptions does not go toward your reports. These items are paid separately.